Welcome to Aspire Learning. In this video, I will discuss some MCQs on economics, and my primary focus will be on WBCS mains. I will start with a true or false question. There are two statements are given. The first one says base rate system is used by banks for calculating their lending rate. And the second one says marginal cost of funds rate is calculated through a set formula. Both the statements here are true. Marginal cost of funds rate is the minimum rate of a bank below which it cannot lend. The next question is the external part of a nation's economy consists of option A, capital account, option B, current account, option C, import and export, option D, external debt, balance of payments, and option E is all of the above. The correct answer will be all of the above. All the given options here are part of a nation's economy which is considered external. The question number 3 is about inflations. It says demand pull factors for inflation can be option A, development expenditure, option B, increase in agricultural output, option C, a balanced budget, and option D is increase in industrial output. Here the correct answer will be development expenditure, that means option A. On the basis of causes, inflation is divided into two groups: demand pull and cost push inflation. The question number 4. India's forex reserve or foreign exchange reserve according to their proportion in ascending order. We are given three options: SDR at IMF, gold, and foreign currency. We have to rank them in ascending order. Currently, India have around 586 billion US dollar as foreign exchange. Out of those, highest proportion is in foreign currency, then the gold, and the last comes SDR. So the option 3 will be the correct answer. SDR or special drawing rights was created by IMF in 1969 to supplement the official reserves of its member countries. The SDR is an interest-bearing international reserve asset. The value of SDR is defined by using a basket of different major currencies. Currently, there are 5 currencies in the basket: US dollar, euro, Chinese renminbi, Japanese yen, and pound sterling. The SDR value is determined by a daily, and the interest is calculated on a weekly basis. SDR is allocated to its members according to their IMF quotas and relative economic standing in world economy. Next is, we have to consider two statements here about treasury bills and certificate of deposits. Both treasury bills and certificate of deposits are issued against government securities. And second is, both are forms of deposits. Both the statements here are true. Treasury bills do not pay interests but rather sold at a discounted rate and can be redeemed at the face value at maturity. Again, we have to consider two statements here. The first one says there has been virtual stagnation in gross tax receipts between 2008 and 16. And the second one says public expenditure as percentage of GDP has shown remarkable reduction during the same period. The correct answer will be 3, as both the statements here are true. Number 7. A rapid increase in the rate of inflation is sometimes attributed to the base effect. What is base effect? Option 1 says it is the impact of drastic deficiency in supply due to failure of crops. Second option says it is the impact of the surge in demand due to rapid economic growth. The third one says it is the impact of the price level of the previous year on the calculation of inflation rate. And the fourth option says none of the above. The correct answer here will be option C. Base effect is the impact of the price level of the previous year in case of calculating inflation rate. Number 8. Here we have to consider 3 statements regarding planning in India. First statement is FICCI has not only supported but also recommended national planning in 1930s. The second statement says Dadabhai Naoroji was the exponent of free market capitalism, opposing planning. And the third one says British government institutionalized efforts towards planning in India. We have to find out true statements here. Now, Dadabhai Naoroji was never an exponent of free market capitalism. He even postulated the theory of drain of wealth or brain drain. So we can strike out option B. So our correct answer will be 2, A and C. FICCI or Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry is a non-governmental trade organization. It was set up in 1927 by G.D. Birla and Purushottam Das Thakurdas. And it is true that British government took several steps to institutionalize the planning in India. Number 9. Here we also have 2 statements. The first statement is Phillips curve describes the relationship between inflation and unemployment. And the second statement is Williamson's trade-off model describes the potential benefits of merger of companies. Here both the statements are true. According to the Phillips curve, there is an inverse relationship between inflation and unemployment. That means if there is a rise of inflation, the rate of unemployment will decrease. Now, 10th and the last question of this set. Economic growth is usually coupled with, there are 4 options: A. Deflation, B. Inflation, C. Stagflation, and D. Hyperinflation. The correct answer will be option B. Inflation. Usually with economic growth, the base level of price rises, and hence economic growth and inflation are coupled. So that was it. Please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications.